So you just have to pull.
Yeah. Down though.
Oh! I'm just gonna leave all this in.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy in Mexico.
You're not in Mexico!
I like Mexico. What's up, guys? It's your boy Rocco with the cool mohawk and yeah, kind of cool mohawk, huh? You're not gonna get another word out of me until you hit that subscribe button. So, you know.
2 hours later. Six hours later.
Have you hit it yet? Did you hit it yet? Did you hit it yet? Did you?
The next day.
Alright, I think you guys hit it. So, it's another rainy day in California, and we're basically trapped inside of this house or else we get wet. So shout out to It's Your Boy on YouTube doing videos of crazy, impossible tricks. So he's been keeping me entertained all day while it's been raining out here in California. So I'm gonna show you a couple of them. Let's do it. So, here's the first trick. You just get $1, put it on there.
Oh, thanks. You didn't say what it was for.
Can I see that $1 real quick?
Ta-da. You said see it. If you ask nicely.
Can you please give me that $1?
Okay.
So, all you're gonna do is, you need this. I need that $1. You just go, you need like a glass bottle like this. You put $1, any type of bill you have on there. You set the quarters on there. And then
Wow, amazing trick, Rocco.
stop.
Wow, that is, round of applause, guys. Look at that trick. Wait, that wasn't part of the trick?
No.
Oh, well, this just got awkward.
Oh my god.
Okay, we get the trick, Rocco. You get the money off the bottle. You spill it everywhere. Why do you keep showing me this? Okay, guys, I'll cut all this out.
I heard you. Alright, so for the first one, you just want a $1 bill. Or any type of bill you have.
Heard this before.
So you're just gonna put it on, just try to follow like that, and then.
That was impressive. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Do you think your mom could do this?
Mom! Can you come here? I want to show you something.
Try again. She'd do it like from Stewie. Maybe she'll come if you say it enough.
Mom, mommy, 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 mom, mommy.
See, it worked.
Hello.
What are you guys bugging me about?
So let me show you something.
I was right there, by the way. I was there. Now I'm here.
Alright, so.
What were you yelling for me for when I'm right there?
You
I
gotta
know,
get.
trying to get the $1 out from underneath.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So you just have to pull.
Yeah. Down though.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Not to look how I left the coins. What the?
Oh my gosh!
That was cool. Don't try to be me.
Next!
I won that one for cool, for best style. Not
No! Your mom's was way better. Next trick.
Alright, so for this one, you need some balloons. So.
Yo, take it easy! Rocco! I hate this,
Now,
Rocco.
always try to.
Ow!
Pops. But.
Can we not do a balloon one, guys? I hate balloons.
You get some dish soap. Another balloon.
Let me try to do this. So what do you do? So you just put dish soap on it?
Yeah.
Okay, just like.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of dish soap you're putting on over there.
You didn't say how much.
So what are you supposed to do?
Don't like that, just like
I'm scared.
slowly.
That one's not working. You better go get
Oh,
some.
I messed up.
Why?
You're supposed to put it on the balloon.
The soap goes on the balloon?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so check out these t-shirts right here. These beautiful t-shirts. There's only 25 left. So make sure you go get one before they're all gone, because after they're gone, that's it. There's no more. If you want to get one of those amazing t-shirts, go
Or
to,
one of your
or
amazing
one of
sweats.
these amazing sweatshirts that keeps me so warm.
And we got new lanyards.
And we got there's new lanyards, there's anything you can imagine is on that website. So go to roccosonlinestore.com. Go to roccosonlinestore.com or hit that link in the description below. Right there. Hit it, guys.
So you're supposed to cover the whole balloon in soap?
Well, of course, we can't seem to do it because we fail all the time.
What were you trying to do? I don't even think you
So
explained.
it goes through the whole balloon.
And the skewer goes in the balloon?
Mm-hmm.
But we'll just put a clip right here.
And coat it with a thin layer of washing up liquid, without it popping.
So that was a fail.
Next!
So if you still have the glass bottle that you use for the coin trick, it's $1. Well, you're gonna take a normal straw. Alright, Rebecca.
Yeah,
Try to move it without touching it or blowing it.
Rebecca has to try and do what?
She has to move it like that, like without touching it or moving it. Touching it or blowing on it.
That's impossible. What am I supposed to stare at it? It's not working.
Yeah,
It's not possible, Rocco.
so what Itsy Boy told me, you just put it and you rub it on your shirt, so it's kind of like that staticky electricity, whatever. So once you've done that,
I told you it's impossible, Rocco. It's impossible.
Try the blanket.
so if you can't, just try to find something in your house. All right. Oh, I did it first.
Get your hand staticky.
He's rubbing it
Under.
Oh.
Lift it up, you'll hear the static.
Oh, hey guys.
Oh, hi. This trick isn't working.
What are you doing?
Again, we'll show you the clip right
There.
The way you traditionally do it is you take it off and you rub it in your shirt.
Oh! Airbender Sean! I thought you waterbended.
Wait,
I know how to do this.
Becca,
Yes.
move one stick and make a square.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, so is that important right there?
The way that layout is important. You can have the points there.
All right, you're gonna move one stick, not two sticks, not three sticks, not four stick, one stick, and make a square.
Wow. Hey, take it easy. You can't, I mean, if I like move that one, it would. See. Nor do, what?
She can pick it up and lift it and put it anywhere. One of them.
One to make us, how?
I don't think Rebecca's
Only-
getting it.
No,
Only move one stick.
And
then
there's
make
no,
a square.
no, there's no stick I can move to make a square, Rocco.
Do you want him to show you how?
Yeah.
Come on, bring it closer. Just watch how.
That's
Okay, like right there. That's good. So just watch what I do, and I'm only moving one stick.
Let's get the camera on this.
Alright. Ready? All you have to do. One stick.
That's the square?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I didn't say you can't make it small or big. I feel like I could use my hair as a half pipe right now. Like a spine. That's how much gel I put.
I don't think that's a good one. I don't like it.
Well, she's getting stuff. This is more of a optical illusion, I guess.
Yes.
Is that how you say it?
So it's just kind of cool looking.
Yeah.
So you need a clear glass and a piece of paper and a marker.
So just write 1.
You said to write 1.
Alright. Spell out the number 1.
Like that?
Okay.
Alright. Now, I'm just gonna set it. Is that good? I can.
Okay, I can see it.
Alright. Ready?
Now what? Does it not work?
That's so cool.
Wait, what's going on, guys? I don't know.
It didn't do anything.
No, didn't do anything.
What's it supposed to do?
Just pull up the video.
Did we not go high enough?
Okay, well now that I've seen the video, so it was supposed to make 1 and 2 now? How? Wow.
Well, DIY. Back behind the glass.
That didn't work either, no matter what we tried.
Our rainy day just turned into a sad rainy day because we didn't get it.
Those are more interesting to watch than do.
I second that. Well, what else should we do?
How about you guys hit that subscribe button?
Or how about we go online shopping? How about you guys go online shopping?
Where?
Where else do you think? Rocco's online store.
Dude, yeah, let's go!
Let's do it. We're gonna go shopping on Rocco's online store. You guys go shopping on Rocco's online store after you hit that subscribe button. Not before, after. Make sure, like Rocco said, hit that subscribe button.
Buckets. I can make this water disappear really slow.
Oh my god, you're
Ready?
about to trip over my foot. You know we're in a drought, right?
We've lived in a drought.